Hey guys, it's Danny here with Clean and Delicious, and today we are peeling ginger. Now, ginger is a delicious functional food jam-packed with health benefits. It's an anti-inflammatory, a natural detoxifier, and it's a strong immunity booster. But how the heck do you peel it? It's actually very easy, and I'm gonna share with you the two most practical ways to get the job done for any healthy home cook. The first method is the spoon method. Now you could really just take any spoon that you have in your kitchen and use it as your tool. What you're gonna see is that ginger is very bumpy along the outside. It has lots of little knobs, just like this one. So working with a spoon makes it very easy to get the job done. All you're gonna do is scrape the spoon on the outside of the ginger. And the beauty of working with the spoon is that it just removes that thin brown skin and it really leaves all of the ginger intact. So you're not wasting anything, right? And it's very easy to navigate around all of the little ginger knobs. And then once you have your ginger all peeled and ready to go, you can slice it, chop it, or grate it. Now, the second method is to use a knife, and I like using a little paring knife just like this one because it's really quick and easy to do. I just trim each side of the ginger off, and then I slice down on each side of the ginger, kind of like you're squaring your ginger off. And you gotta go in far enough to get those little ginger knobs off of your ginger along with the skin. So what you are gonna find is that when you're doing it with a knife, you do cut more of the ginger flesh off, a little bit more of that ginger meat, but don't worry, it's not gonna go to waste because you can use this a couple different ways. You can either make a nice ginger tea by putting it into your mug with some hot water, or you can do a ginger-infused honey. I just like to put a little bit in a mason jar, pour my honey over it, then the next time I need a little bit of honey, it's got this wonderfully infused ginger flavor. So peeling your ginger really is just that simple, and knowing how to do it promises to keep your clean and delicious cooking healthy and easy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone else you know who wants to make healthy eating easy. I'll see you guys back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers.